Welcome back. In this video, we're making chewy oatmeal raisin cookies. For the dry ingredients, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix to combine. For the wet ingredients into a stand mixer, 3/4 cups each of shortening, regular white sugar, and brown sugar. Cream together on high speed for 3 to 4 minutes. Reduce the speed to low, add in 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, dump in half of the flour mixture, 1/4 cup of milk, the remaining flour mixture, and another 1/4 cup of milk, 2 cups of oats, and 2 cups of raisins. Scoop out onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. And there we have it, chewy oatmeal raisin cookies. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.